In this guide, we're going over how you can go ahead and get Rocket League for free on the Nintendo Switch 2. This is also going to work on the original Nintendo Switch, but before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, Rocket League is completely free to download on Switch or Switch 2. You don't actually have to buy the game anymore, which is super nice, and here's exactly how you can get it. Starting off on the home screen of your Switch 2, go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to see a Nintendo eShop option right here. Select it and choose your correct user profile. You could choose any of them, but I would recommend choosing the one that you play with the most. Open that up, and then on the left hand side of the Nintendo eShop, you're going to see a bunch of different options. Go ahead and scroll down to search and browse, and then go over here, select enter keyword, and type in Rocket League. Now, since everyone's playing Rocket League again right now, it's going to pop up pretty much immediately just after typing something like pretty awesome. Go ahead and select Rocket League, hit search, wait for it to load, and then you're going to see Rocket League on here just like so. Select it, and once it does load for you, you're going to have the option to go ahead and download it. Maybe it's using a virtual game card, so keep that in mind, or it'll say free download. Go ahead and hit either of those options. For example, with the virtual game card, which I currently have it as, you open it up, and then as you can see, we have it right here. I'd be able to load it, and I'd be good to go. And then, of course, after it does install for you, and it may take a little bit of time, you just got to open it up, sign in to create your Epic Games account, link it to your Nintendo account, and start playing. That is it, completely free. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.